Welcome back to Hyperdrive, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels. Today, buckle up because we're diving into a car that's turning heads across the globe, the all-new Dodge Valiant Prestige 2026. Now, imagine a car that blends raw American muscle with futuristic elegance. That's exactly what the Valiant Prestige delivers. Dodge has taken its bold DNA, injected it with modern technology, and created a machine that demands attention on every road. Under the hood, the 2026 Valiant Prestige roars with a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. Delivering an impressive 420 horsepower, Dodge claims it can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. And trust me, you feel every bit of that adrenaline. Whether you're cruising the city streets or hitting the open highway, this car responds with aggression and confidence. But performance is just one part of the story. Let's talk about the design. The Valiant Prestige brings a bold stance with its sharp LED lighting, sculpted body lines, and signature Dodge grille. It's sleek, athletic, and undeniably premium. The 20-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamic curves screen performance while maintaining a refined, executive look. It's the kind of car that looks fast even when parked. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather, soft-touch materials, and chrome accents. The dashboard features a stunning 15-inch floating touchscreen that seamlessly controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Dodge's latest Uconnect system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected without the clutter of cables. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, letting you track performance metrics or switch to a minimalist layout for long drives. Ambient lighting, ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof complete the upscale experience, making the Valiant Prestige feel more like a high-end lounge than a muscle car. But Dodge didn't stop there. Safety and tech are front and center. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind whether you're in city traffic or pushing limits on the highway. And despite its performance, the Valiant Prestige surprises with its fuel efficiency thanks to advanced engine management and hybrid assistance, giving you power when you want it and economy when you need it. So, is the Dodge Valiant Prestige 2026 just another muscle car? Absolutely not. It's a bold statement from Dodge, a fusion of heritage, technology, and luxury built for the modern driver. If you love cars that combine power, style, and cutting-edge features, the Valiant Prestige deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because here on Hyperdrive, we bring you the hottest rides first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next drive.